You know, when I'm standing back here, we're gonna be having a styling video. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zabs and I love all things fashion and handbags. This video is all about styling silks for spring and summer, and I'm so excited to show you guys all the different outfits that I can't wait to wear this year. So we have a total of 6 or technically 7 silk pieces from Silkinc, who kindly sponsored today's video. I'll be styling the silk pieces together to create matching sets and then interchanging them among each other to create different fun color combinations, but also I will be styling some of the silk pieces with my existing pieces in my own closet to create some fun textures together. So let's just get right into the fun part. This is the first set that I'm going to be styling. This set consists of the gentle short suit jacket and the gentle slouch bottoms. Let me put it on for you guys. Okay, right off the bat, I'm trying on the suit. I'm in love with it. It definitely is reminiscent of like 1980s power suits for women. It looks so perfectly tailored and so nice. Also, I just love how this is doing favors for my figure, not gonna lie. I really think it's flattering on me. Are these not the perfect pieces to go with the suit? It has this really pretty asymmetrical detail at the top. It's chef's kiss. I love how this has been designed. What do we think? This was a strong start to the outfit. Now let's move on to outfit number 2. This is our second look. I know this is quite a sharp turn from our previous look. This is a lot more of a relaxed fit, and I am so here for it. This is such a nice fitting top and bottom. I have been really dying to try on this type of look where you wear silk on silk and everything just kind of feels so buttery and soft, but this is something else. Experiencing it myself now, I realize the hype is real, guys. It's so good. Is this not perfect? Blue and brown color combo. Because I was feeling a little bit inspired by vacation looks with this outfit, I am gonna go with my Bottega Jody bag to finish off this look. The pieces that I have on right now are the wide collar silk shirt in zodiac blue and the crystal straight bottoms in the color brown. Okay, right off the bat, I'm in love that the pants have pockets. Oh my gosh, what is this? This little detail is something I didn't notice. How pretty is that? And it has these 2 little beads at the end of it. The waist is elasticated, and that's always an easy choice. All right, now time for outfit number 3. This next piece is called the Crystal Bias Cut Cowl Neck Long Slip Dress. We have another perfect silk piece because how gorgeous is this bias cut? I love these kind of pieces because you can just throw it on and it feels like you're very put together and dressed up, even though you're just wearing one piece, and it is so low effort. But at the same time, I mean, the color is so rich. But honestly, I just love a cowl neck detail because it dresses up any dress and makes it a bit more formal looking. Again, it's all about the attention to detail and I'm loving it so much. I just decided to go with some flip-flops and the same bag as my last look. If you are a little bit more into coverage, I have the perfect solution. I bought this crop cotton shirt from Korea a couple years back and I've just been wanting to wear it over a dress like this. So let's throw it on. How cute does it look with an oversized shirt like this over top? I feel like even if you have a crop jacket, a denim jacket, leather jacket, anything honestly goes over a dress like this. I'm enjoying myself a little too much, but now we are going to be wearing the last set. You guys ready for this? This set is called the Zen Silk Set in the color ash green, and I got this set in the size extra small. Just look at this color. I kind of see this as a bit of a light jade color. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't even know what to say because I've never worn such a thick silk garment. It falls very elegantly and it has this, I don't know, it has some body to it. And then let me just step back so you can see all the details. I feel like if I had this set during my bridal season, when I was having all my bridal parties, my bridal shower, and then the morning of like getting ready for my wedding day, if I had this set, y'all would have gotten so sick of me. I would have worn this outfit to death. It's so stunning. I feel like this is the perfect if you want to have like a more dressed up set to wear indoors. Because I do work from home, I prefer to wear elevated home attire, whether it's loungewear, whether it's sets such as this one. I'm just gonna say it, it's so beautiful. The color is so perfect. I'm in love. Just a side note, let me tell you one more thing I like about this outfit. These pants also have pockets. It is giving very much a proper robe right now because let me take off the strap here, the belt. If you want to wear it as more of a relaxed set, you can. It just is very baggy and loose, very comfortable. It just has one button at the very front here and then one button on the inside to secure it to this side. But that's it. Very easy to put on. Pico. I do really like how the belt helps elevate the whole look though. This was the last set from Silkinc. I think we should try to mix and match them. This is outfit number 1 of me blending the Silkinc pieces with my existing clothes in my wardrobe. I went with a cotton long sleeve t-shirt as my first layer, and then layered on top I have a cashmere sweater in this very nice cream beigey tone. And my choice of footwear is just my sparkly flip-flops because I just think we deserve to dress a little bit more low-key and chill for the summertime. Not gonna lie, I really do like this color combination of this light jade with off-white sweater. For our second mix and match look, I kept thinking about how the slouchy first trousers from the first set would look with the peplum top. But anyway, I was just thinking that this kind of light brown or tan color with this light blue color would be a very cute color combination. And I just feel like this is such a nice baggy fit for summer. Nothing is sticking to me right now and I'm feeling so comfortable. The bagginess of the pants and the shirt is just what summer calls for. On to our next look. You guys, I wanted to think a little bit outside the box with this one. For spring and summer, I do tend to get more invitations to outside events such as garden parties and backyard parties and things like that, and I'm always looking for more light tones to wear to such events, and this shirt inspired me to look in my skirts collection and look for kind of a nice garden inspired look. So I'm going with this vintage skirt and white heels, and I'm just gonna top everything off with my, you guessed it, my mini Jodie. I'm just in love with this color right now. This top is probably gonna be my go-to this whole summer. I'm probably gonna make it my whole personality. I could go on the whole day styling these pieces differently, but I think I'm gonna stop it right here. We have 6 looks and I'm so happy with all of them. I hope you guys enjoyed today's styling video and let me know in the comments what you thought of the different pieces that I styled for today. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe because I post these kind of videos all the time and I would love it if you guys would stick around. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week and I will see you in my next video. Bye!